A pic of you as a child that encapsulates your energy Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours. And click until you find the desired sticker, and here as you can see I only have viral stickers, so you can check these two. So there we have it, a pic of you as a child that encapsulates your energy. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads and choose the desired photo. I will go with this photo right here, and you can place your photo where you want to make it bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. Once you are happy with it, you can share it to your story, hit the button from the left bottom corner, or you can click the send to button and share it to your story. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.